Hi guys, it's Joy. So I recently just got a bunch of stuff from Glossier and I thought I would show you. There's kind of like a backstory to this. So I was supposed to go to Seattle with my parents last weekend, and if you didn't know, Seattle, there's a Glossier location there, but my passport didn't come even though I like applied for it 4 months ago, so I had to stay home. But my parents were nice enough to get me some stuff. So yeah. So this is the big bag that it came in, and it even says my name in the back. But you open it like this. I'm gonna put this down and then show you guys. Okay, so I got the beauty bag because I saw it on TikTok and it was really cool. It even says on the back, but let's open it. Here it is. There's some plastic still. And then just going to open it. And there's the red lining on the inside. And the zipper in the front. It looks like that. It's so cute. So this is the next bag. So I got 2 of the solid Glossier You Perfume. I'm just gonna open one and smell it. Oh, okay. So it looks like this. It feels pretty heavy. It feels really nice. And then you slide it open like this. Oh, I like it. It smells like a very nice everyday scent. And it's like a magnet to push open. That's really cool. And then I think to save money with the bag, I got it in a set. So I'm gonna try and find the rest in here. There's a lip balm. I got the balm.com in the mango flavor. So it just looks like that. It smells really good. I can smell it outside the packaging. And in that set there's also a boy brow, and I got it in the shade brown. And then I think there's a lash slick. Yes, there's a lash slick in that set. So this is the mascara from Glossier, and it's just a nice pink color. And the final thing in that set is a cloud paint, and I got it in the shade Beam, which is like a peachy coralish color. So that is this set. I believe it's called It's All in the Bag set. And then I got another set. So that one includes an eyeliner, which is the #1 pencil. It's like this. I got it in the shade Frame, which is a brown color. And then in that set you get another cloud paint, so I got this in the shade Storm, which is more of a berry color. And I've seen people use this one kind of to make it look like you're a little bit sunburnt, so that's very cute. And the last thing in that set is the Ultra Lip. This is the glossy lipstick, I think. It's like a sheer glossy lipstick. I got it in the shade Portrait, which is a brighter pink color. And then one more set, I got the skin tint and the concealer in a set. So here they are. This is the Perfecting Skin Tint, and I got it in the shade G9. I went a little bit lighter than usual because one of my friends was telling me for skin tints it's better to go a little bit lighter than your exact match. And then the little concealer. So this is the concealer. I'm excited because it's a potted concealer and I've never had one of those. It just seems really cool. And I also got this in the shade G9. And then the last thing, I should have brought it up in the beginning because I got the Glossier You Perfume, and this is the full spray bottle size. I got 2 of them because I was gonna give one to my friend. So let's open it up. It's a very cool bottle. But yeah, I'm really excited because they said that it smells a little bit different on everyone. So I'm gonna spray it now. Why is it not? It smells very like clean, like I can wear this every day. I think I like it. But yeah, that is everything that I got. I think I'm gonna do a little try on of some of the stuff, so yeah, keep watching. Okay, so I filled up the makeup bag. I'll show you. So I got my eye stuff, so mascara and eyeliner right here. Lips, so the balm.com and the ultra lip. I have my cloud paint, skin tint, and concealer here, so this is all face stuff, and then brow stuff right here. Okay, so first I'm gonna test out the skin tint. It looks like that. It looks really liquidy. I don't know if you can tell, but it looks very liquidy. I do think this is kind of cool though, so you can just drop it right on your face. I don't know if I'm supposed to use my fingers. I'm gonna use a beauty blender for now. It's okay with the beauty blender, but I'm now gonna try it with a brush. It's definitely very, very light coverage. I don't know if it did anything, honestly. It kind of just feels like it made my face look dewy, which is a good thing, but it's not very much coverage. Now I'll try the concealer. Hopefully this will do a little bit more. I'll just use my finger for now, so I'll dip in. Okay, I actually really like that concealer. It's very soft and easy to blend, and it looks seamless, so that's really nice. I'm gonna try a cloud paint now. So I'm gonna try the shade Beam and peel off the layer for the first time. Okay, I'm gonna just do a little bit. I think that's good. It's so easy to blend and it looks very nice. Okay, next I'm gonna try the Lash Slick Mascara. We'll put this to the test because Asian lashes do not stay curled. For me, I can only use like waterproof mascara so that my lashes stay curled. But I heard that it's a tubing mascara, so I think it's supposed to work similar to a waterproof one. I don't know, but we'll try it. I'm just gonna curl my lashes first. Okay, time for the mascara. It looks very not clumpy, which I like. I like when every single one of my lashes is like separated. So let's see how this does. So this is what my lashes look like. They definitely separated them a lot. I really like it. We'll just see if my lashes stay curled. And now I want to try the brown eyeliner. I'm kind of scared because I'm not very good at eyeliner, but we'll see. We'll do a tiny little wing. Okay, there's my brown eyeliner. I think it's okay. I like the color. It felt like it was kind of tugging. I don't know if it was just the way that I was using it, but it felt like it was tugging on my skin when I was trying to draw the wing. But yeah. Okay, lastly, I'm gonna try the Ultra Lip. This looks a little bright. I feel like online the photo didn't look this bright, but we'll see, I guess. It is a very nice sheer pink color. I really like it. I didn't really do that thick of a coat, so I think it is buildable. We'll try. So that is it. I think I like it when it was a little bit more sheer. It feels very hydrating and smooth. Also, an update on the perfume. I think it's really nice. I think it smells really good. I just don't know how long it'll last because I heard that they did change their formula. But right now I do really like it. So that's it for my video today. Please thumbs up and subscribe. And then Grogu and I will see you next time I post.